Okay, so we've just had a little discussion. It's beginning of March and we've got a house and 2 rental properties over here that we are both getting a bit worried about what's going to happen with the economy here, whether the houses will remain as viable rental options. There seem to be a lot rented and we haven't been getting the occupancy that we've been looking for the last year, so we've been talking about the possibility of selling those along with our main residence here so that we don't have any property left here. At the moment it seems like a good idea. We've got to talk to a few people and decide whether it is. Okay, good morning everybody. This morning we are heading off to one of our rental properties that we have a tenant moving out of today, and then it's going on the market to be sold as the first part of our, really the first major part of our next move. Okay, so this is our former rental. Last tenants have just moved out and we are going to put it on the market next week to hopefully fund the next step of our adventures. We know exactly what we want to do. We are booked to leave America aboard the Queen Mary on the 31st of October. It's now mid-March.
Today is Saturday, March 22nd, and we are off to 801, our rental, to get it ready for the market. This is pretty much what I do for all my houses when they go on the market. Me and the team will go in and we'll tidy up, get things sorted, make beds, etc. Make it photograph ready. So this morning I'm going to take you with us and show you what we do. First stop is to Lowe's to pick up some bits and bobs. We're going to get some mulch to do the garden beds with. They just tidy up and make it look good. So here we are pulling up to Lowe's, which is the equivalent of a B&Q, a home DIY store and garden store.
They got garden tractors.
Garden tractor pen.
Garden tractor pen. You don't want them escaping.
He's doing his lawnmower exercises here. Showing you the turning circle on a John Deere. Finished over at 801, got a few jobs done, got it ready for the market on Monday, and it's almost 3 o'clock on a Friday, but what better way to finish off than in a local brew. Cheers. We're back at 801, our rental that went on the market. Just to give you a quick update, we got an offer on it this morning that we've accepted, so hopefully it'll be a nice smooth 30-day close and we'll be ready to go.
Yay! Okay, so here I am back at 801 Centre Oak for the final time. We have sold this property now. Anyway, quick walk round. Well, it's basically now an empty property. I just thought you'd like to see the difference between when it was furnished and when it was unfurnished. So it's a nice little house, not particularly large. Very nice. Original wood floors. Bathroom looks much the same as it did. Bedrooms are obviously completely empty now. Probably all a bit echoey. But that's it. Time to say goodbye. Very sad. Goodbye, little house.